In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Edit with Lovable button from your application. The Edit with Lovable button appears by default in projects created on Lovable. And if you want a clean white label experience, you'll manage it from your workspace billing settings by selecting a plan that includes branding removal. Start by heading to your Lovable dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the settings you're about to change apply to the right workspace. On the left sidebar, open the profile icon, then choose Settings. This takes you to the place where all workspace preferences live. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name at the top before you continue so you don't adjust the wrong environment. In Settings, open the Plans and Credits section. This page shows your current plan, usage, and what features are unlocked today, so you can see at a glance whether branding controls are included. Here's the key. Removing the Lovable branding is a paid feature. Upgrading unlocks the permission to hide the Edit with Lovable button across your apps. Review the wording on the page. Look for phrases like branding removal, badge toggle, or white labeling, so you know the capability is included before you move forward. Select Pro to see what's in the entry paid tier. If Pro lists branding removal, you can proceed with that plan and you're done. If it doesn't, back out and compare higher tiers until you find the level that clearly covers the branding change you need. Next, check Business. This tier often adds team controls, usage limits, and brand options that Pro may not include. Again, confirm that branding removal is explicitly part of the package so there are no surprises later. Finally, review Enterprise. This level usually includes full white label controls, advanced security, and support agreements. If your organization requires guaranteed removal and administrative guardrails, this is typically where those requirements are documented. Choose the plan that clearly states the ability to remove Lovable branding. Once your plan is active, the permission applies to your workspace, and the Edit with Lovable button will no longer appear in supported surfaces. If the change doesn't reflect immediately, give it a moment and refresh your app. If needed, contact Lovable support from your account to confirm availability on your plan. That's the process. Go to your dashboard, open Settings, visit Plans and Credits, and compare Pro, Business, and Enterprise to find the plan that enables branding removal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you present a polished, distraction-free experience to your users.